What's going on, everybody? I'm Danwise, another day, another vlog, and we all riding that way. So today's video, we've got the fully Yam riders today, all Yamahas. We've got 3 Tracers, 107. It's looking good vibe, boys. It's a good vibe, boys. Always good vibes when we are and about. You know how we do, boys. Come on. So yeah, we're just going that way basically, and then just stay tuned and watch the video. That's it. That's all I can say. We've got the boys yammied up. Yammies only, boys. We've got a yammy day today. Yam day today. You know how we do, boys. So I can't lie, I'm in front, right? And I was gonna say I don't even know where I'm going, so we're going left. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, man. Follow me, I know the way. I'm just in front, boys. Yeah, so we're going that way. Just, I literally imagine that I'm just saying that I'm in front, I even know where I'm going. Right, brothers. We've got more brothers. Very nice. Oh, I'm gonna stop with brothers, look. Alright my friend. Very nice. Alright my friend. Very nice, boys, very nice. I think Tracers here is very nice. You know what I mean? The bike just does it all. It's just, you know, if you've got 2 man up or 2 people or whatever you want to call it, comfortable. You know, on a long journeys, comfortable. You know what I mean, boys? It's all the good stuff. Does all the good stuff. Sounds good as well. She sounds the best, bro. Absolutely the best. But yeah, you know what time is when this road's here, boys. The best road ever. Well, around here, shall I say. The best. Like the way it just turns, bends, humps, bumps and flops and kicks and flicks. All the good stuff, boys. This road is the road. The best, bro. The best, bro. Boys. Oh my god, I got a big ass bug in my flipping visor. Wow. Hold on. How did it get under? Don't worry, my friend, I am here. No fear, Danski's here. Look at this bugger there, man. Oh, brother. I'm trying to swine that bugger. Woo! Listen to it, boys. Absolutely beautiful. Hello grandma, how are you? Oh, at least the sun's coming out a bit now, boys. Alright, my French people. Alright, my French people. Alright, my French people. Alright, my French people. Hello there. Alright, my French. Alright, my French. Good lad. You know this spot, boys. You know this spot. If you've been watching me, my French people, then you know. Hello, Grandma. How are you? I'm very good. I'm very fine. I just slapped that one over there, innit?
Are you going next in?
Are you doing guys right? You guys staying or you guys going by any chance?
No, we're staying.
Oh, you staying? Yeah, no worries. I just wasn't sure to put it there or not if you're going. Yeah, yeah, sorry mate, nice one. Brother, I just want to say. But yeah, we've got a couple of mopeds here, boys. I like that one. That one looks very nice. Very nice. This is a good one, this one. I like this. We've got a fresh one here, look, boys. Fresh one. Very nice.
I do like that.
That's that new one, isn't it? Yeah. Very nice. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro. It's like switching on, switching off, switching on, switching off. Don't know what's going on, boys. There's all the good people watching. That helmet's crazy. And, I mean, yeah, whatever. But, brothers, we've got a moped quad there. So yeah, we're just gonna go to the next spot. I don't even know where we're going, to be honest, but start my moped up. Bro, where's the fuel going on his bike, man? Ooh-wee. Sounds good. Come on, boys. Boys, you're singing. Take over, brother! Brother! Brother, brother, brother! Brother, just cruising. Brother, you ruined up the whole scenario, or scenario, whatever you want to call it. I'm joking, bro, we're just chilling. He's chilling, boy. Brother's chilling, brother. Brother, just enjoying the view. Brother. Oh, boys. shoelaces on condom, boys. Island man, boys, Island man. My shoelaces on condom, boys. Oh, I'm looking on, I lost my button as well. Hold on, boys, my shoelaces aren't done, man. Wherever they are. Hold on, I need to take this off. Hey, brother, very dangerous. Woohoo! Yeah, killing me with the fumes. Get me ahead of myself here, boys.
You got very excited on that last one, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, my French. So yeah, boys, girls, aunties, Margarets. Don't worry, I'm not ending the video. Just right here. Bloody hell, the bump is road. My bad. So yeah, not ending the video just yet. We're going to a different spot. The boys and that want some cakes or some, basically a pudding. So that's where we're going. We're just going to the next spot. Boys, I love the way this bike just pops and everything. It's this one, isn't it? No, it's not that one. Oh, is it that one? Is that one or that one? I can't remember now. Was it that one? One minute, one. Boys, girls, aunties, roggers, and all the good people still watching. I appreciate that. But if you're first time watching my channel, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, put your notification bell on, so every time I drop a moped video, you'll be able to see it, boys, girls, aunties, roggers, and all the good people watching. So here, good vibes only. We ride mopeds, we just have some food, drinks, ride bikes, and spend some good time, I guess. That's what Danwise is all about, man. Say a quick one. One of my boys behind me has got a Tracer, I think obviously the Gen 3, and he keeps saying that his bike wouldn't lift up, so I'm going to suggest swapping. I'm going to have a play on it. Swap, me and you swap. Hello grandma, you alright my friend? You okay? You just... yeah, good luck. Let's have a look at the settings. Let's try the settings, yeah? How did you do it last time? Traction 1 off, lift off. Alright, let's try it that way then. Yeah, let's try that, yeah, let's try it. Yeah? Just in case for you. Everyone's swapping bikes now. Wow, this feels mad different to mine, I can't lie. Obviously I've rode it before, but I don't know why it feels so weird. Yeah, of course she lifts up, boys. Of course she lifts up. Of course she lifts up. I can't lie, I'm not used to as much as... Yeah, she lives up, man. She lives up. still lifts up. That's what I'm saying, man, the quick shifter. I need a quick shifter, boys. Alright, I'm gonna do one more and call it a day. Well, go to the place that we're meant to be going. Can't be messing about too much. I'm straight around, yeah? We're just gonna pull up in there again, drink food and good vibes. There's all the good people watching. I'm gonna end the video right now, or right here shall I say, and then obviously stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.